Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be Navajo Treaty. To say Navajo Treaty in Navajo, you say Naaltsoos Sání, Naaltsoos Sání, Navajo Treaty. Naaltsoos means paper, Sání means old. Together, Naaltsoos Sání means ancient documents or Navajo treaty. You can also say Naaltsoos be elchadet anagi, Naaltsoos be elchadet anagi for treaty. Be elchadet anagi means the one used to make a contract or an agreement. To use this word in a sentence, you can say Dishje 1868 yeah da Naaltsoos Sání be elchadet a Navajo Treaty Day, will ye? Dishje 1868 yeah da Naaltsoos Sání be elchadet a Navajo Treaty Day, will ye? Today in 1868, the Navajo Treaty was signed. We call that Navajo Treaty Day. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Navajo Treaty. Naaltsoos Sání or Naaltsoos be elchadet anagi. Have a nice day. Najunago ne ado ahya.